equations. Now, yesterday, did we talk about like corresponding angles are equal?
Yeah.
Okay. And alternate interior angles are equal. And alternate exterior angles are equal. And consecutive interior angles equal 180. Okay? Those are the things you have to use today so that you're able to solve for x. So let's go to this page right here. Now, if it would help you, you could, on your cheat sheet for this chapter, you could write down, if they're corresponding, you set them equal. If they're alternate interior, you set them equal. If they're alternate exterior, you set them equal. And if they are consecutive interior, they equal 180. Okay? So if I look right here, I have to ask myself, what kind of angles are those? And as far as of these four types, what kind are those? Corresponding. And aren't corresponding, you're just going to set equal? So I'm going to say 26x minus 4 equals 126. Quiet. Okay? Now what I'm going to do is just solve for x and I'm done. So I'm going to add 4. And I get 26x equals 130. Divide by 26.
5.
Is it 5?
This
Yeah.
classroom's so long.
So our x is 5. Okay? Now when we go to this one, we're going to look at what kind are they? What kind are those two?
Alternate interior.
Alternate interior. Alternate interior are equal. So what I do is I go to this and I do 5x plus 5 equals 4x plus 16. Okay? Now, to solve this, would you guys all know you're just going to take the 4x to the other side? Okay? 5x minus 4x is x plus 5 equals 16. Then I'm going to subtract 5 and I get x equals 11. Okay? So if you can use these 4 rules and you can solve an algebra equation, you should be able to do this. Now, what kind are those two? Yep, consecutive interior. And with those, we add them and set them equal to 180. So we come here. Now, here's a tip, you guys. If you have to add these two together, I would always put the one with the x first. So I would go 5x plus 10 plus 140, and that equals 180. Okay.
All right.
Now, what's 10 plus 140? Yep. And then what would we do? Very good. And then divide by 5. Very good. So 5x would equal, what's 180 minus 150?
30.
30. What's 30 divided by 5? Very good. Okay. Now let's look here. What kind are these?
Alternate exterior.
Alternate exterior. And alternate exterior, you set equal. So we're going to go here and we're going to say 6x minus 4 equals 50. How would I solve this?
Plus 4 and then divide by 6.
Plus 4.
That'd be 9.
And I get 6x equals 54.
Divide by 6.
Divide by 6.
X equals 9.
And x is 9. Okay? Now, what kind are or is it for E? What kind?
Corresponding.
They're corresponding again. Do you all see that? When they are corresponding, we set them equal. Okay? So here's the deal. We would go 7x plus 9 equals 9x minus 7. Now when I'm doing a problem like this, I bring the smaller x over to the bigger. So what I would do is bring the 7x over by subtracting 7x. Okay? Now I would get 9 equals, what's 9x minus 7x? 2x minus 7. Then I'm going to add 7. And I get 2x equals 16.
It'd be 8.
And x would be 8.
Good job.
Okay? Now, if we look at this one, what kind are these two? Consecutive interior. What do we do with consecutive interior? We add them and set them equal to 180. So we're going to go 6x plus 8 plus 17x plus 11 equals 180. Okay? Now, 6x plus 17x is 23x. 8 plus 11 is 19. And that is equal to 180. Then I subtract 19. And I'd get 23x equals 161. Thank you. So x equals 7. Okay? This should be a 3 actually, sorry. Okay, now one last page. This problem is a little bit different. Did I skip a problem?
No, don't tell her that. It doesn't matter.
Stop.
I wanna learn.
Stop.
Sorry, I wanna learn.
You did not skip a problem. You're lying.
Come on,
Keep making
man.
noise.
You
Please stop.
skipped F.
You stop. She just showed us that we did that. We know what you
You wanna see my paper? We
Oh.
just did F.
We just-
Oh, I missed one.
Yeah, well,
Okay.
it's your problem, sir.
Guys, guys,
Parking lot.
no one has to be commenting, okay? Alright, so let's look here. So, what this says here is angle 5 is 65. And we should be able to find the other angles. Now, I don't know if I talked to you guys about this or not yesterday, but first of all, do you guys know what kind of angles 5 and 6 are? Like, they're not one of those 4, but there's some. They're equal because they're vertical, okay? So do you get this is 65 and that's 65? Now, what kind are 6 and 8? Alternate exterior. So what would 8 be? 65. What do we know about these two?
To add up to 180.
Yes, and what's 180 minus 65? 115?
Yep.
Correct.
7 equals 150.
And 7 equals 115.
And why are you so
Now, I'm not sure if I showed you this or not yesterday, but here's the deal. Do you guys get if that's 115, this is 115 because they're vertical? If that's 115, this is 115 because they're vertical? And what would you think this one would be? 65. Do you think if the two lines are parallel, these 4 would always be equal? They would, okay? And if they're parallel, these 4 are always going to be equal, just so you know that, okay? So they want angle 6, which was right here, that's 65. Angle 7 is right here, that's 115. Angle 8, I believe is that one, that's 65. And 9 is 115. Okay? Now, let's go to the bottom. and we're gonna do one more of each type, I believe.
Yes.
Okay, so I'm gonna write this again, just so you have it. Whenever you have corresponding angles, they're equal. Alternate interior are equal. Alternate exterior are equal. And consecutive interior equal 180. Okay? What kind are these right here? Corresponding. And what do we know about corresponding? Equal the same. So I can go 15x plus 6 equals 14x plus 14. Now if I was doing this, I would bring my 14x to the left by subtracting 14x. Okay? 15x minus 14x is x plus 6 equals 14. And then I can subtract 6 and I get x is 8. Okay? Now let's look at B. What kind are these?
Corresponding.
Consecutive interior. What do we do when they're consecutive interior? They equal 180. So I can go 17x plus 10 plus 51 equals 180. Okay? Now I have 17x. 10 plus 51 is 61. Then I'm going to subtract 61. And I get 17x equals 119. Does anyone have a calculator?
I bet it's like 7. Oh, I'm a genius.
It is? Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm the first.
Now, what kind is this? What kind are they?
Alternate interior.
And what do we know about Hunter?
What?
Not what.
You don't slow it.
Just stop. Okay, what do we know about those two? They're equal. So I can go 15x plus 5 equals 14x plus 12. Okay? Now what do I do?
No?
Subtract 14x.
Very good.
Is that
15x minus 14x is x plus 5 equals 12. Subtract 5. And what does x equal? Very good. All right, we have one more. What kind for D?
alternate exterior.
And what do we know about that?
They equal each other.
So we're gonna go 13x minus 6 equals 12x plus 1. What do I do?
Subtract 12x.
Yep, subtract 12x. Okay. Then 13x minus 12x is x minus 6 equals 1. Then I'm gonna add 6. And I get x equals 7. Now, everybody listen before we get up. Everybody
I
listen.
can go for I really have to. I go to the bathroom. I get smaller.
Just right now sit.
I get one.
Okay? Sit.
Christian, say you're one.
Okay, everybody listen up.
I didn't do it.
There is a chance today
Because I'm so humble.
that you're going to get x to be a negative number and you're gonna think it's wrong. It's not. Okay? I have a key for this somewhere that I'll find and put out. You're gonna do the 19 questions that's on Schoology. Show your work. If you don't show your work, you don't get credit. Okay? Everybody good? Tomorrow, if you guys behave when you come back, you're gonna come back at like 2:15. What I'm gonna let you do if you behave is you're going to just play some games and have kind of like a work time. But if you're obnoxious, I have my next lesson ready to go. Okay? At the beginning, it wasn't good.
You need to stop. Hey, is it a paper? or is
Spot,
it-
can I get some water?
It's in
No,
school.
Barber,
Can I get some water?
I really have to go.
This spot,
Yo, can you get
Thursday,
this?
So these couple of chocolates.
270.
That's what it is. Did you
Put it up there, it
click on-
says it's 2.
Yeah, sorry. This should say 2/7 day 4.
It's only if you're right next to each other.
Release today.
Oh my gosh, it's Thursday.
Yeah, she's okay with it. Okay?
Do you have to do all of them?
All of them, yeah. There's 19.
Miss Bot, do you hate me?
I don't hate you, I promise.
There's only
17? Okay, there's 17, I lied.
Can I get water, please?
Yes, you can. But wait, Hunter, stay here. Cause I have some kiddos that are out right now.
What
Right? Hunter, don't piss her off.
What?
Don't make her mad.
I don't know what I do.
Just shut up.
Get.
Christian, why are you there?
I was trying to watch my spot is blocked.
No, he was talking around.
Really?
Keep your hands to yourself.
I wonder why you're so hot. Maybe it's like you're trying to attack Riley.
What's wrong?
Nothing. My faculty's being stupid.
What did I do? If they are corresponding, you set them equal. If they're alternate interior, you set them equal.
I have that down.
Yeah, so these are corresponding,
Yep.
so you set this equal to that and self-correct.
Okay.
And these are alternate interior, set them equal, self-corrects. These are consecutive interior,
So
those
180?
180, so you add them and set them equal to 180.
Oh, it's basically what we did yesterday, but with extra steps.
Yeah.
Okay. Are you gonna go over here so I can help you?
You guys, I'm gonna put the key up here on the podium. So if you wanna check it, but you have to show your work.
Yeah.
But like
It's
some
actually
of
really
it's
good.
mental
It's like
math,
passion.
right? You don't, if it's 7 and
Oh.
equals 77.
So for something like this, can I just have it like not be a plus sign, and just show like the steps kind of, is that fine? Okay.
Wait, ready?
Natalie, you can probably stay over there. Just
I was
like
gonna,
for-
I was gonna help her.
I think she gets it.
Wait, but her MacBook is dead. She has to use her MacBook, who's fine. You still have diseases?
Dude, please stop talking to me. I'm trying to work.
Don't spread your diseases. Hold on. What this one?
Nice for your business, you
No.
thanks, buddy.
It's like,
Is it like 6 like this?
yeah,
6 would be
I didn't do my work.
In where? No. You can sit here and be quiet, and you can get your work done. Well, you're an addition to that problem.
I'm really just trying to work.
What did I even do?
I'm not gonna argue with you, Hunter. Sit down and work.
so like if they're touching. Like,
I know this one.
Wait, what did you say about decimals? That they're fine?
oh no, otherwise all the rest of it.
I don't think you should get a decimal.
Would the first one be negative? I know you said they'd probably be negative, but would the first one be negative?
The key's up there.
Oh, you're right.
Oh, shit. Yeah, Poor Riley. Please stop.
This button's really hot here. Can I go sit out?
Do you want this on your desk?
No, it's okay. I think it's just 'cause like Natalie's like this.
Respond. If we're able to do it in our head, can we just write down these?
If it's an algebra problem, you have to show your work.
What if it was this like 129 minus 125?
That's not algebra. Algebra, I mean like if it has 17x plus 2 equals 15x minus 3, then you have to show work.
Where do you have to
What are you on?
Aren't you like waiting for lunch here?
I randomly get stronger.
I'm on second.
Yes, we did.
Natalie's just slow. And now she's gonna jump.
Him?
Ellie, you wanna know
Yeah.
do you know better one?
No.
Are you on number one?
I'll just text you.
On what, your phone?
No, Google Chats.
Can we open the window?
Kyle, what class are you on?
Stop. What is even that?
Good boy.
I can't. I'm
Is Chogan back?
Rather one. Hey, Riley.
Do you want to put it back up?
Yeah. Riley. Let's put the flint in the beats for us.
Why'd my music stop? Why am I listening to Drake? I love Drake. So much fun. Funny gal. I could go for a nap right now. I got to sleep in until tomorrow. Very nice.
You didn't come till 12?
No. I didn't feel good. Because my mom says if I want to stay home, I have to go to class for at least 2 periods. And I'm not too bad. Okay, you want to guess my battery percentage is at right now?
What's that?
What's my battery percentage at right now?
1.
That's at 67. Hey, it was Claire.
These kids in
Claire.
grade are on this ball, aren't they?
I just said sick Evan.
Except on the
Because
one.
Spawn's my best friend.
7 x equals 7, so that cancels out, so that's right.
Hey, what do you call Evan when he's sick? Sick Evan.
Yo, it's fun.
No, it's not
It was
stupid.
fun.
You're
Chris
lucky
comes
you're
up to me,
pretty.
he's like, how you getting done so fast? It's like, cause I'm smart. He's like, I doubt it.
Did you show your work?
That's for
I'm
real.
gonna eat you.
Did you
I'll
turn
grab
it
my
in?
assignment. Tyler, that's like a valid question. You don't think I'm smart? Bro's like, Tyler, I saw all the questions you were asking on the last test.
It's just speed, bro.
Yeah, looks good.
Like, look, it skins is done.
I think that's not embarrassing.
Skin
Did it just
gold.
break?
Mm-hmm. Ah!
Was it your necklace?
It was like my lanyard.
Oh no.
Oh no.
It's raining.
Yo, Chris, that's too far.
Well then be careful, the wire's gonna like drop a bunch more on the other side.
Long enough.
Yeah, Logan?
That's what you bro.
Let's take number 2, I guess.
Logan?
My window.
We're gonna
Stop sign.
say 5 minutes. Okay?
What's stop sign? That guy drives a bike now,
Alright, take a seat. Get to work.
Well, this Miss Bog, 2 days ago, I was gone for 15.
Yeah.
But that, I had no reason to.
Yeah. I was genuinely the whole time.
Hey, Todd, please turn that down.
No, I'm being so good.
I was just running.
Buggy, get back. I don't care, bro.
No, you guys, in this time, if you're obnoxious, tomorrow when you come back, we're gonna do a lesson, okay?
How about you only make the people who are being disrespectful do less? You know that we just give shit. Yeah, they're good. No, no.
You'd rather stay on the bus by each other. Or sitting by each other.
Me too.
Hey, Miss Bodge, where do we leave for Epic tomorrow?
That's a good question. I know you're, I think you go eat lunch at 10:30.
Ew. How do we see like I just had to do that in middle school. They have a bunch of videos.
I'm not sure, I don't know any of those facts.
Hey, Miss Bodge, can I just come back and eat at 2? Or 2:15?
Can you just what?
I'd rather come back and eat at 2:15. We should just make lunch instead of 10:30, 2:15.
Yeah, I don't think that's gonna happen.
More realistic than 10:30. I'm still eating.
Logan, you gotta sit by yourself and finish your assignment first.
Oh, you dropped it. Hey, you dropped this? I don't know if this is.
That's me, yeah. Just throw it in
Oh,
there.
did your necklace
I'll let you sit back.
Yeah, my lanyard did.
Here, you can still remember it.
I'll
But
let
that
you
one.
sit back there.
Yeah, there's pieces everywhere. Oh gosh.
What?
I know.
What do you say to do when we have
I'm
a
using my
decimal?
personal purse for a second.
That means you did something wrong.
I got 4 divided by 26.
Yep, you did something wrong. So go
4
back and look
divided by
at it
26.
and figure out what you did wrong.
Auntie, do you need help? I'll offer you one-time help.
That's all. Actually, I don't need help, Chris.
Where's the answer key?
On the podium.
Wait.
Alright,
What is
Auntie.
the right?
Helping you.
Edit it the other way and like both these are negative.
Oh, I know. I can only do one sentence.
Then you put x equals 9? Yes.
I know.
What's that?
I'd even use a calculator.
What did you say?
Miss Bodge, are you doing that decimal?
Chris, what did you just say?
You shouldn't.
What number do you have it on?
Claire Collet.
13. What do you get?
You're like 3.
No, where are you?
Yay, exactly. I don't know, man. Why? Why not?
It's 26.
Why not?
Minus 4 plus 9 is 76. Minus that by 180.
Pa and Claire just said it again.
I don't know.
Claire, don't call people to be rude. I should say it again. It rhymes with ditch. Yeah. It rhymes with ditch. I can't see the other. I can't see it. I don't like the sound of it.
You like right after school.
Okay, what's 6 plus 7 or 60 plus 7? Well, how many go to 6? Oh my god.
Yeah.
Miss Botton, what's 60 plus 7?
67?